What are the best antivirus software for macOS? Part 1. There are a few different antivirus software programs available for macOS, but some of the most popular options include Bitdefender Antivirus for Mac, Norton Antivirus for Mac, Malwarebytes Antivirus for Mac, Avast Antivirus for Mac, Clario Antivirus for Mac. These antivirus software programs offer a variety of features, including real-time protection, scanning, and removal of viruses and malware. They are also typically updated regularly to protect against the latest threats. When choosing an antivirus software program for your Mac, it is important to consider the following factors. Price. Antivirus software can range in price from free to hundreds of dollars per year. It is important to find a program that fits your budget. Features. Some antivirus software programs offer more features than others. It is important to find a program that has the features you need. Compatibility. Make sure the antivirus software you choose is compatible with your operating system. Customer support. If you have any problems with your antivirus software, you should be able to get help from the manufacturer. Once you have chosen an antivirus software program, it is important to install it and configure it properly. You should also keep your software up to date with the latest updates. Here are some of the benefits of using an antivirus software for macOS. Protects your Mac from viruses and malware. Antivirus software can help to protect your Mac from viruses, malware, and other malicious attacks. Keeps your Mac up to date. Antivirus software can help to keep your Mac up to date with the latest security patches and updates. Gives you peace of mind. Antivirus software can give you peace of mind knowing that your Mac is protected from online threats. Here are some of the risks of using an antivirus software for macOS. Can slow down your Mac. Antivirus software can slow down your Mac, especially if it is constantly running in the background. Can conflict with other software. Antivirus software can conflict with other software, causing problems such as crashes or freezes. Can be ineffective. Antivirus software can be ineffective against new or unknown threats. Overall, antivirus software can be a helpful tool for protecting your Mac from online threats. However, it is important to choose a program that is compatible with your Mac and that offers the features you need. You should also keep your software up to date with the latest updates and be aware of the risks associated with using antivirus software. Part 2. Mac users can still get viruses and malware. In fact, according to Apple, the number of macOS malware samples increased by 400% between 2018 and 2020. While Mac computers are less likely to be infected with viruses and malware than Windows computers, they are still vulnerable. There are a number of reasons why Mac computers are vulnerable to viruses and malware, including the increasing popularity of Mac computers. Mac computers are becoming increasingly popular, which means that there are more potential targets for hackers. The increasing complexity of Mac computers. Mac computers are becoming increasingly complex, which makes it more difficult for vulnerabilities. The increasing popularity of online shopping and banking. More and more people are using their Mac computers to shop online and bank online, which makes them more vulnerable to phishing attacks and other forms of malware. There are a number of things that Mac users can do to protect themselves from viruses and malware, including installing antivirus software. Antivirus software can help to protect your Mac from viruses, malware, and other malicious attacks. Keeping your software up to date. Apple releases regular security updates for macOS, which can help to protect your computer from known vulnerabilities. Being careful about what you click on. Phishing attacks are a common way for hackers to infect Mac computers with malware. Be careful about what you click on in emails and on websites. Using a firewall. A firewall can help to protect your Mac from unauthorized access. Backing up your data. In the event that your Mac is infected with malware, you will need to restore your data from a backup. By following these tips, Mac users can help to protect themselves from viruses and malware.